gonna have to come up there. Soppy spots. I might be right. He's come out. There he is. Oh yeah. He's in a tree. No, not yet. Oh my God. This fish is so powerful. Around a tree. He just wrapped me around a tree. He's trying to go around the other side of it, get him back out. There he is, I can see him. He's done a full lap.
Why you run 50-pound braid?
Insane. Must be a side branch that he's on. There we go. There we go, he's out. Oh, big fish. Nice fish. Oh, he's in another tree. This is hectic stuff. Oh, look at that thing. Ooh. Did you get that? Come on, mate, jump. Jump. Oh my God, that's a good fish. Whew. He's got a little bit of a rub, but that lure just pulled back out of his mouth. Just get it out so I can show you the fish. Such an amazing fish. So powerful in this tight country. Amazing.